Okay guys, what's going on YouTube? And today I have three flip phone Samsung with two phone SGH and one phone SCH. Now let's start with this one. The first is Samsung by Verizon. It's actually the phone original SIM tray on this. This Samsung SCH AS70. When I open, as you will see, this the hinge look like here. Yes, let's start up. By Verizon. So this phone is not support battery. Yes. Of new phone collection, I have unboxing this by Verizon. External display has right here. Yes. Okay. Let's shut it off. Before shut it off, let's go to menu. Okay. Let's shut it off. Now let's go to Samsung SGH C260. Okay, go to Samsung SGH C260. I have a Viettel SIM card. Now let's go to this. Okay, let's go. Okay, there we go. All function has here. Yes, okay. Let's shut it off. It looks like the front clock animation, but has Samsung with no front clock. And the last but not least is the Samsung with branded by T-Mobile. Samsung SGH X490. But the SIM tray has broken one pin. Yes. And this Samsung SGH X490, the default language is Dutchland. So as you can see, this so bad SIM tray. SIM slot has been broken by here. Okay. Now let's here. Yes. AS70, C260, and X490. Three flip phone, and I have this with my Korean LG Telecom is SPH W9350 here. Okay. Go to the right, not block, that over here. Okay. So that's for all. I have with two flip phone by Samsung is SGH T319 and Samsung SGH X540, I think it is. So let's come soon here. And the next one I have ordered the Samsung SCH U700 and D159H by T-Mobile. And the last year I have on the December I have ordered Samsung GTC 3520. Now let's come soon to test the status for now. Okay, that's for all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.